Hey everyone, this is how to track flight prices on Hopper so you can buy your tickets when it is the cheapest. So this is how to do it. So first go ahead and open the Hopper app on a mobile device. Your home screen should look something like this. Then on the bottom of your screen, you'll see three options called Home, Saved and Trips. Simply tap on the middle option called Saved. And after a few moments, you'll see two options called Add Flight Watch and Save and Share Hotels. Simply tap on the first option called Add Flight Watch and you can choose where from to where to. So simply fill in the information. Then after filling out the information, you can do watch trip. Then when it says watching, it will send you notifications when the tickets price drop and you can purchase your tickets, and it is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.